Heyo, Andy and Julie here. We're talking about closing costs, and we want to explain to you what they are because it can be kind of a confusing thing.
Right. So as we start this, if you like our videos, hit the like button and subscribe.
We're local agents out of Farmington, Minnesota. We serve the greater metro.
All right, so closing costs. So when you buy a home, there are fees obviously to buy and sell a home. And if you're buying a home, it's typically about 2.5% to 3% in that range of the loan amount. So keep that in mind when you hear closing costs. It can range in there. Like I said, it's just a range. Don't take me for, it's got to be that, but it's in that area. So, and what that covers will cover the first thing is lender fees. So the lender has fees that they have to charge in order to process your loan. They have assistants, they have processors, like I said, and they also have underwriters. So there's a bunch of fees that have to be paid for because these people need to get paid, and that's how they get paid is by processing your loan. So number two.
Number two is title fees. So what title fees are, there's a title person that researches the title of your home to make sure that it's free and clear, that nobody has a claim on it, so that you buy it and then later somebody comes and says, hey, my aunt owned this property and I should have been the rightful owner of it. So you want to make sure that basically that it's a marketable title, that's what they do, and that nobody's going to come back and try to legally take your home or sue you to try to take your home away from you. And the other thing is also title insurance is another important thing that it's a one-time thing that you pay for, and it basically protects you from that, so that if somebody were to try to sue you for the rights of your home, that you would be protected against that.
And three, and the final one, and it's kind of one of those things that we like to explain to people, is there's fees when you sell your home, and that's where we come in, and that's how we get paid. So if someone is selling their home, they hire a realtor and a professional realtor, because the reason why you do that, you want someone that knows how to sell a home, market a home, and get it ready and give you tips on that, but also throughout the whole process. If adjustments are needed, we're always constantly checking the market.
And those fees do get split four ways. So it goes to the selling agent's broker, it goes to the selling agent, it also goes to the buyer's agent and the buyer's agent's broker as well. So when you look at it that way, when it's getting divided, it can seem like a big number, but it is going in a lot of different directions too.
That's correct. So hopefully this is helpful. Again, if you like what we've been talking about today and you're looking for more, please subscribe, hit that like button, and until next time.
See ya.